Here I've got KRUGER MATZ Move 8 Mini, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select App and Notifications, then go to the Advanced, scroll down and go to Special App Access. And here you will notice Install Unknown Apps, simply click on it. And now you can allow installation from apps from some particular sources. For example, you can allow it for Google Chrome, simply click on Allow from this source, then you can activate it. For Gmail, and then for whichever application you only want to. And this is all. From now on you'll be able to install apps from, for example, Google Chrome or Gmail, or whichever application you will choose. So that would be all. This is how you can activate unknown apps. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.